How to craft a potion of swiftness 2? No worry, I'll show you how to craft one, and I can understand why you want to make one. The level 2 potion will make you just a bit slightly faster than the level 1, because the level 1 potion of swiftness will increase your speed by 20%, while the level 2 potion of swiftness will increase your speed by 40%, which is a huge difference if you want to be faster than your enemy. There are just few simple steps in order to brew it, so let's jump straight into this tutorial. First will be to get the brewing stand. The brewing stand can be either crafted or found in a village. If you want to craft it, you have to kill few blazes in the nether, because the brewing stand will be crafted with the help of the blaze rod. Also, don't forget to craft some few empty glass bottles and fill them with water and add them straight into the brewing stand down below. Prepare some decent gear, because you'll have to get into the nether few times. The first trip into the nether will be to find the nether fortress, because there you will find some nether wart farms. Unfortunately, not every nether fortress have a nether wart farm, but however, just grab as many nether warts as you can. And also don't forget to bring back from the nether fortress at least 2 blaze rods, because one will be used in crafting the brewing stand and the other one will be turned into blaze powder and put into the brewing stand as fuel. Drop a nether wart inside to craft the alchor potions first, then go and find some sugar cane. Drop it inside the crafting menu to turn it into sugar, and add the sugar on top of the alchor potions to craft the level 1 potions of swiftness. Furthermore, if you want to craft the level 2 potion of swiftness, you will have to get into the nether the second time. Because there you'll find plenty of glowstone on the ceiling in the nether. You have to drop a glowstone dust on top of the level 1 potion of swiftness, and with the help of it you will just create the level 2 potion of swiftness. The bad news of the level 2 potions of swiftness is that you can't increase the duration like you can do with the level 1. When you have the level 1 potion of swiftness, you can add a piece of redstone dust to increase the duration, which is a massive improvement, because you'll increase the duration from 3 minutes up to 8 minutes, and that's a huge difference if you were to ask me. But when you have the level 2 potion of swiftness, you are not allowed to increase the duration with the help of the redstone dust. So this is the bad news of the level 2 potions of swiftness. But at least you'll be faster. I mean, not for so long, but you'll be faster. If you want to turn the drinkable version into a splash potion of swiftness 2, you can add some gunpowder on top of it. And if you want to craft the lingering potion of swiftness, well, prepare some decent gear this time, because you will have to head to the end dimension. The dragon bread can be obtained in the end when you are fighting the ender dragon. Just don't forget to bring with you some empty glass bottles to fill his bread from the projectiles he's charging at you. I really hope this tutorial helped you out to craft the level 2 potions of swiftness in Minecraft. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment, will be much appreciated. Bye bye!